Hello folks, just a quick update on my Legion 7 Pro. The other night it crashed twice in Davinci Resolve in about 5 or 10 minutes. However, since then it actually hasn't crashed at all, and this is kind of what I did. So the other night I decided to install, Windows 11 25H2. And even though I've had this computer set up for 3 days, immediately after installing that and rebooting, about 25 or 30, actually 35 drivers appeared and all installed. I rebooted again. And then if you go under advanced options, you'll see here optional updates. And that's where this, where is it? Lenovo LTD driver update also showed up. So after these 30 plus drivers, after 25H2, I noticed this under optional drivers. So I installed that. The computer did a bunch of firmware updates. It kind of seemed almost like a BIOS update. So it was sitting on the boot screen doing some updates and things. And afterward, I decided to finally boot it up, install the latest Nvidia driver, which currently I was using just whatever Windows installed. And that's basically when it crashed twice. Immediately after that, being a bit bummed out, I decided to go back to the original driver. As you can see here, the April 16th one right here. So since then, it's now been pretty much a little over 24 hours. I've used Davinci Resolve multiple times with no crashes. Nothing has crashed or there have been no issues. I think I'm getting a cold here. So yeah, I just wanted to state this because this is clearly some sort of software issue, and the latest driver from Nvidia is not helping. So I'm going to keep testing it. I'll keep you all posted, but yeah, so just try using the driver that essentially Windows installs automatically. If you install Nvidia app, it will not automatically install the latest one. So as you can see, I actually used Device Manager to roll it back, but you can see in the Nvidia app, it shows me I previously installed the latest one. So yeah, I'm gonna hope for the best. And as I said, and overall, like the computer, even the previous one, it almost never crashed during use. It was usually overnight or something like that. But so yeah, I'm gonna keep testing it. It's been working pretty good for 24 hours, and it just honestly, considering how much these computers have gone up in price, yeah, I think I'm just gonna stick with it, keep this, and even if it continues crashing, I'm gonna deal with whatever software updates, warranty in the future. But like I said, yeah, 99.9% of the time, this computer is working flawlessly. And I did just actually want to point out that with the older driver, when I started up Arc Raiders, it did give me a prompt saying I have an older driver, but I just closed that and it worked without any issue. I was using OBS to record the game and everything was functioning, so no issues there. So keep you posted if anything changes, but this is it. I mean, it's an awesome laptop, so yeah, that's where I'm at the moment.